Welcome once again, and let's talk about Luna. Let's talk about Terra Classic LUNC. Now, remember, at $560 million market cap, Terra Classic was trading at $1 before the coin crashed last year at $560 million and $565 million market cap. Luna was trading at $1. Today, Terra Classic is almost trading at $1 billion, and this coin is still trading at 0.000. It's trading with about 3 zeros with a market cap of almost $1 billion. That simply means things have really changed. For Terra Classic to hit $1, this coin needs billions of market cap. Now, I believe Terra Classic can hit up to $3 billion to $10 billion market cap this year, 2023, if by the likes of Coinbase can list this coin back, if you can get the support from Robinhood partnering with Terra Classic, if you can also get other exchanges that have not listed Terra Classic to list Terra Classic, expect a massive increase in price. Now, for me, I think there's opportunity for Terra Classic holders to really make money. One thing I love about this coin is for the fact that so many exchanges have listed this coin, and Binance founder CZ is also really supporting Terra Classic, and he even owns Terra Classic. He bought and he's holding his own coin. He's not even ready to sell. That's why he tweeted last time, we are all in for Terra Classic, we are not ready to sell. And I believe if this coin can really try any way possible to get the Coinbase list Terra Classic, which I know the journey have already started, the possibility of Coinbase listing Terra Classic is already getting possible. Don't be surprised to see very soon Coinbase and other exchanges will start listing Terra Classic, especially this year that Terra Classic started the year with an impressive increase in price and market cap, and of course they know that Binance have been supporting this coin. Now, if Coinbase, and I'm believing to hear this rumor about Coinbase purchasing Terra Classic, any moment Coinbase buys Terra Classic coins, okay, just know that the listening is already around the corner, because they really want to make money, because listening to Terra Classic will definitely push the coin. So once they buy, they list, the coin rise, they make profit. That is just the system. Once they buy, they list, they make profit instantly. So that is the strategy of most exchanges. That is what they normally do. So that's why some people prefer to listen to top exchanges. They want to hear, they want to know the coins most of these developers are actually buying. So once they're able to understand they are trying to buy this coin, or they have actually bought this coin, and the coin they bought, they have not listed the coin, then just know that they're actually planning to list such coin. Now, when they buy this coin in another exchange, the exchange that have listed the coin, then they will not list the coin. The news about them listing that coin will help the coin to push to rise. Then they will already be making some profit for themselves. This is just the system they use. So United, they are now finally listed the coin. They can now transfer their coins from the exchange that they bought to their own wallet or whatever. So that is how it works. So I'm hoping that people are saying that Coinbase actually bought or Coinbase want to buy. Let this be true, that they actually bought or they are planning to buy, and let them buy Terra Classic coin, and just believe that the listing of Terra Classic then is already around the corner. Terra Classic is one of the best coins, going to be one of the best for 2023. Remember last year, 2022, this coin was actually among the top 10 crypto coin, according to Coin Market Cap, the top 10 most searched crypto coin. People really searched more about this coin, and of course, in terms of social media, Terra Classic was not left out. They really do well. They've gained a lot of followers on Twitter, on Instagram, which I know that this year that trend will continue. So if you're a Terra Classic holder, please remember to hold what you can afford to lose. Don't go and buy, don't go and invest what you cannot afford to lose, because this is crypto industry. And remember, in crypto industry, anything can happen. In crypto industry, within the space of few minutes, a coin can really increase and a coin can really drop. That is why we encourage you to buy and hold what you can afford to lose. And I'm hoping that this coin will eventually hit, will eventually increase, will eventually gain that support that Coinbase listening, that Robinhood partnership are listening. I mean, this coin will definitely also burn out the supply they have. We are hoping for Terra Classic to burn out its supply of 5.9 trillion coins. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.